Welcome! In front of me I have smartwatch Hama 7010 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. So if you want to reset it through the phone application, you will need to open the Hama Fit Move application on the phone that is paired with your watch. Of course, your watch needs to be paired with a phone if you want to use the application to reset it. So open the app. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon, then select your smartwatch 7010 right here from the top of the list. And right here at the bottom of the screen, you will see the option Device Reset to Factory Defaults. Tap on it, tap on Yes. The watch will disappear from the device page and it should start resetting itself to the factory default settings. And now it's done, and that's how you factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.